She's a chunky monkey. She thick, boys.
Ladies and gentlemen, today we are in a 2023 Mercedes AMG GT63 S. Think of this as the four-door version of the AMG GT. And we're gonna test it out here on track at Road America. Let's see how she drives. All right, thank you for your patience, and we're off. Let's let her rip.
Hammer down.
All right, we got a 4-liter twin turbocharged V8 cranking out 630 horsepower, 664 pound-feet of torque. And boys, she rips. We're in race mode right now, handling all the shifts for me automatically. Actually, pretty good shift logic, I gotta say. I'm not feeling the need to use the paddles. 9-speed DCT, in case I do. Very smooth downshifts. Now the car weighs 4,700 pounds. She's a chunky monkey. She thick, boys. But I gotta be honest, she is handling the weight shockingly well. This is a very heavy car. Keep in mind, we do have 4-wheel steering, so that's gonna help. Of course, at lower speeds, going in the opposite direction. At higher speeds, going in the same direction for added stability. All-wheel drive Mercedes 4MATIC Plus, which means it comes with a drift mode as well, but we are not going to be experimenting with that drift mode, not today. Really impressive how it's handling its weight. Now keep in mind, this is a sporty luxury sedan. This is not a dedicated track weapon, so you're not going to have, hydraulic steering teaming with feedback. This is definitely much more of a luxurious, softer driving experience, although right now in sport mode with the adaptive suspension, we're having great body control. Carbon ceramic brakes really doing their job. Nice bite, great feel, very linear, nice and easy to modulate. This car is very impressive, but it's not going to come cheap. The base price is $170,000, but as optioned, this example comes in at $212K. And at that price point, you gotta ask yourself, what do you value? What do you prioritize? Are you going for the everyday, daily driver that you can really hoon with and even take to the track if you want to? Or do you want a more dedicated sports car? Now, this is very much a multi-purpose vehicle. This has the dual duty, put a smile on your face and take your kids to school kind of vehicle. And I like that. Dude, this car rips.
It does 195 mile an hour.
195 top speed. I like how thick the steering wheel is. Feels great in the hand. I have Alcantara, which always feels great. From the owner perspective, I always feel a little bit cautious because these can get matted up if you don't take very good care of them. But right now in this new vehicle, of course, looks and feels fantastic. The screens, that's going to be, a bit polarizing. I personally don't mind these because when they're high quality screens with good contrast, high resolution, they look all right. Some people prefer the analog, the more traditional physical gauges. We do have some physical HVAC controls down here, which is very nice. We like that.
A 3-stage ESP, there's sport handling mode and then full off mode. And then actually, since we're there, if we go to manual and we're full off, get first gear and pull, that's how you get to drift mode.
That's how you do drift mode.
Yeah, it's not a...
Are we allowed to do that at this event?
No.
Oh man.
No. But it's a little bit of a, puzzle to get through.
Yeah.
Yeah, on purpose.
Awesome. Thank you for watching, my friends. Let me know what you think with a comment down below. Much love, and I'll see you all in that next one.